What's up everyone, Bubba here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own YouTube thumbnail. So first what you want to do is you want to go to Pixlr.com, go to Advanced, create new, and then you just want to make it 1920 by 1080, and then we're just going to name this thumbnail. Create. Okay, just zoom out a little bit, and then what you want to do is go to this render pack that I will have linked in the description. Find a skin that you want. I'm gonna go with this one, and then just download that. Wait for it to download. Okay, we got that. Go here, go to image, then render. Okay. And then you want to go and type in Fortnite background. And then try to find like a simple background. Just go thumbnail fast. Something like this. I'm gonna go with this one. Save image. Save, and then go here. Insert. Okay, see? Hold on. Wait, what the heck? There we go. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna make this fit like that. Drag this in front. Okay, and then what you want to do is, I usually put a, like to how it looks, so it's looking this way. So I'm putting it on this side. Shrink it just a little bit. And then you could put whatever like montage you're doing. So let's go to Fortnite montage. So say that you're doing a lemonade montage. I don't care about that. And then you just want to copy this. I could exit out here. Insert as text. Control V. Make this bigger. Just gonna turn this just a little bit like that. And then you wanna go to your background. Go to adjustment. And then hold on. Wait, filter, sorry. You wanna go to Gaussian blur. Turn that up just a little bit. I'd say around like 20 is good. And yeah, you could add, maybe take this out, and if you're doing a highlights video, you could do like, oh my gosh, you could do like number 3. I'll make this a little bit bigger. What font do we want? Maybe this one. Make it bigger. Oh no. Oh my. Now something like that. And just add your drop shadow. Just a little bit, like that. And then you might want to add like, what color should you do? Red and black. Make this black so like a little bit more. And then make, oh no, not like that. Delete that one. do something like, oh crap. What happened? Oh, my bad. You wanna go to select pixels? I forgot about that. See, and then it doesn't really look that good though with the background, but yeah, maybe make something like that. You could do it. Yeah. So if you guys like that and it helped you, make sure to like, subscribe. It's free, helps me out, and let me know what else kind of tutorials you guys want. Peace.